Hello students, I am Ms. Mishra, I am math teacher of ELPM Public School, Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, I have already discussed about the topic mean, median and mode. But today I will discuss some multiple choice question based on the mean, median and mode. And also I will discuss some multiple choice question on the bar graph, in which multiple choice question of bar graph is: first of all, the following graph shows maize production figures in lakh of tons in state for 5 years. Take the correct option. In this question, we have given bar graph, and by the bar graph, we have to find out correct question, in which graph, in this graph, this is x-axis and this is a y-axis. On the x-axis, we have show years, and on the y-axis shows the production in lakh of tons. Here, in the first year, maize production is 60 lakh tons. In second year, maize production is 40 lakh tons, and in third year, maize production is 50 lakh tons, and in fourth year, maize production is 85 lakh tons, and in fifth year, maize production is 80 lakh tons. You have to study this bar graph and give suitable answer of the given question. In which first question is question number 1. Question number 1 is the total production of maize. The total production of maize in lakh of tons, in lakh of tons in 5 years is. Answer is A 235, second 245, third 255, and fourth is 315. Now we have to find out which is correct option. For finding correct option, first of all, we solve this question: the total production of maize in lakh of tons in 5 years. For finding total production of maize in 5 years, we add production in first years, production in second years, plus production in third year, plus production in fourth year, and plus production in 5 years. So we add production in 5 years is 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 equal to the sum of production in 5 years equal. Here you see by the bar graph, production in first year is 60 lakh ton, therefore equals 60 plus production in second year 40 lakh ton, therefore plus 40 plus production in third year is 50 lakh ton, production in fourth year is 85 lakh ton plus production in fifth year is 80 lakh ton. We add this. When you add this, we get 5, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 4 25, 25 plus 6 31, 315 lakh tons. Therefore correct answer will be 315. Now next question based on this bar graph is, question number 2. Question number 2 is the increase in percentage of production. The increase in production. The increase in percentage of production. The increase in percentage of production. The increase in percentage of production in third year. In third year as compared to second is, as compared to second is, option is A 10, B 20, C 25, D 50. Now we have to find out which is correct option. So for find out correct option, first of all we solve this question. Increase in percentage of production in third year as compared to second year. First of all I'll find out production in second year. Production solution. Production in second year equal. Production in second year is 40 and production in third year is production in third year equal 50. Therefore we have to find out the increased percentage of production in third year as compared to second year. Therefore I'll find increase in production equal 50 minus 40 equal 10. Now we have to find out increase in percentage as compared to second. Here second year production is 40, therefore increase in percentage of production, increase in percentage of production equal increase in production is 10. Now compared to second, therefore write below 40 into 100%. Therefore 0 cancelled by this 0 and 100 divided by 25. 100 divided by 4 equal to 25. Therefore it will be 25. Therefore percentage of production will be 25. Therefore in the given option you see that option A is 10, option B is 20, option C is 25. Therefore option C is correct, it is 25. Now here the correct option is 25. Now third question related to this bar graph is question number 3. Question number 3 is if in the 6th year, question 3 is if in the 6th year, if in 6th year the production was 20% more than in the 5th year. What was the figure? What was the figure in lakh of ton? In lakh of tons for the 6th year. For the 6th year. In the given question, given that in the 6th year the production was 20% more than in 5th year. You see that in the 5th year production is 18. In the 5th year production is 18. Solution. 5th year production equal 80 lakh tons. 80 lakh tons. But in 6th year production is 20% more than in the 5th year. Therefore production in 6th year equal, therefore production in 6th year equal 20% more than in 5th year. It means 80 plus 20% of 80 equal 80 plus 20 by 100 into 80. It means 20% more than in fifth year means we add 20% of 80 in the 80. We get 20% more than in the fifth year. Therefore, it will be here 1 0 cancelled by this 0, this 0 is cancelled by this 0. Therefore, it will be 80 plus 2 into 8 equal 80 plus 16 equal 96 lakh ton. Therefore, in the given question, option is first option is 90, second option is 96, and third option is 100, and fourth option is 120. Therefore, correct option will be 96. Therefore, correct option will be 96. Now, this is all about the multiple choice question of the bar graph. Now, next video I will explain other multiple choice question of other topic. I hope that all question is clear to you. Be positive and do as this type of questions. Bye.